Hi everyone, welcome to GoodFlip. To begin, you need to finish the registration process. First, scan the QR on the outer box. Enter your mobile number and do the OTP verification. Fill in your details and download the GoodFlip app. Next, give the necessary permissions. Register on the GoodFlip app with the same number. Give access to the calendar. Next, tap on the Diasen CGM banner and follow the steps to book your virtual installation session. Select the date, time, and add the necessary details. You will now get a booking confirmation in your DM and on the GoodFlip app. The support agent will call you on the given date and time to help you with the process. You can also choose to install the CGM yourself. So here are the steps. First, you have to download the GoodFlip app, which you might have already done till now. After that, give GoodFlip the permission to access Bluetooth on your device. Then go to the devices section, click on Connect CGM. Now, choose the connection method. If you choose the self-installation method, any failure or damage to the CGM resulting from self-installation cannot be recovered by a refund or a replacement. Moving on to the next step of charging the transmitter. Place the transmitter in its charging case. Now, check for the light indicator. A flashing white light means the transmitter is being charged. A solid blue light means the transmitter is fully charged and ready to be unplugged. The transmitter will automatically switch to Bluetooth mode once you remove it from the charging case. Please do not place the transmitter back in the charging case. This will break the connection with the GoodFlip app. Step 3. Connect the transmitter. On the Connect Transmitter screen in the app, select the serial number that is displayed. Confirm to complete the connection. Now we need to apply the CGM sensor. Choose a clean flat area either at the back of your upper arm or your abdomen. In case there's excessive hair, please shave the area. Clean the skin with an alcohol wipe and allow it to dry completely. Once you have chosen the designated area, you can go ahead and attach the sensor. For this video, we have chosen the back of the upper arm. Now, open the sensor box, take it out from the pack and keep the cover with you as it contains the essential QR code. The box inside the pack also has the QR code. Do not unlock the sensor right away. Please follow the next steps. Remove the two protective films from the orange section of the sensor. Now, stick the sensor firmly onto the skin. Unlock the safety by sliding the lock open. It might be a bit hard to unlock, hence try a little harder if it seems jammed. Press both the side buttons at the same time until you hear a click sound. Hold the sensor applicator firmly in place for 10 seconds. Slowly remove the insertion device. Make sure the sensor that just got attached does not come out with it. Once you have safely attached the sensor, it's time to attach the transmitter. Place the transmitter on top of the applied sensor. You will hear a click sound, which means it's securely attached. So the final step is activating the sensor so you can start checking your glucose readings. Either scan the QR code on the sensor's packaging or manually enter the sensor number in the app. Once done, you should confirm the connection. The app will now start a 1-hour warm-up countdown. This enables the sensor to calibrate with your interstitial fluids. After the period ends, your glucose readings will start appearing live in the app. The CGM sensor has a life of 14 days. You need to discard the sensor after this time period. On the other hand, the CGM transmitter has a life of 2 years. You can reuse the transmitter once you recharge it. Did you know you can share your glucose report with a friend, family, and your healthcare partner? Go to the cumulative report section. It will take a while to generate your complete report. You can now download or share your report. Here is a quick preview of how your CGM report looks. Removing and reusing the CGM. To remove, gently pull the transmitter buckle outwards. Slowly peel off the sensor from your skin and dispose of it safely. Now return the transmitter back to the charging dock so that you can reuse it with your next sensor. Once you are done with all these steps, you can track your glucose levels 24/7 with precision, ease, and confidence. For help, please visit the GoodFlip app support section. Troubleshooting scenario 1: Unable to receive data. If the Bluetooth is turned off, turn it back on. There might be some moisture. Please remove the transmitter, pat dry it, and put it back on. Wait for 30 minutes for the connection to restore. There might be a weak signal. Reattach the transmitter firmly and wait for 30 minutes for the connection to restore.